So I believe the minigame was 121 ways to die. Did you always do that? Half a million your spit! And that is the thumbnail. This
I
one.
do love it.
We're in a bit of a predicament. I think
Yeah.
so this episode.
I hope that you enjoyed this episode again. This is a new. Welcome back, guys, to AquaticLand in Chaos. 120 Ways to Die in Minecraft, Part 2. So yeah, this is episode 3 as well. With Bryce, we're going to continue what we were doing in the last episode.
Hey noob, so if you remember, we kind of got stuck in a lava that kept killing us and killing us and killing us, and just decided to end the episode there. I had to turn off command blocks just to get out of there. But anyway, so we are continuing. What are we on? We are on drowning, not again. Right, guess we're drowning again.
Yay!
Funny way to start the episode when the first death was drowning too.
Frosty the Snowman. Oh.
Would you like the honors, Austin? I put the sword in the chest. Well, I spawn them and you anger them. Well, are they not gonna attack us?
I don't think they attack people.
Then what are we doing? Oh, forget it.
Guess we're just killing them.
The deep end. Well, we could just drown again. Well, no, come on, die, kill us. Yes. 85.
The Crusader.
I will kill you.
Ow.
I always enjoy killing.
Your worst nightmare.
Ah! What? Whoa! Ah. Why was that so satisfying? The great...
Great famine.
Oh! The Godbringer. Oh no.
Bridger. The perfect thumbnail.
Hold on, I'm getting there. And I am dead. Alright.
The unused mob.
So here's
I know what that is.
ancient weapon of mass destruction. Ah! Ooh, I wonder. Ah! What am I talking about? And they're not killing us.
Yeah, they don't have AI and stuff.
These guys are useless. Haji was killed while fighting me. Friendly fire. Throw your items down. Yeah, it's not a bug. It's supposed to be hard. Then you're supposed to kill us? This is gonna be another skip.
I think they're supposed to duplicate or something if you breed them with the amethyst or something.
Kill. Great. Spawning us at 91. Let me get to... No! Whoa! Austin! Dude, no, what's happening? So now we got the English longbow. A tipped arrow, what? Oh, okay. Ha.
Bullseye.
I hit it now. Another glitched map. Sorry, this map's buggier than I expected. But this one should be an easy kill. 93, a certain specific railgun.
Scientific railgun.
Put key here. I don't need the armor. Ah! What? Huh, okay. Click here. Why don't we just... Ah! No, I didn't get another button! Is that gonna shoot at us? Ah! That scared me! Oh, you almost gave me a heart attack! Oh, drowning again!
Yeah, bonus or something.
Oh, I'm a bit on edge after that. Ah! 95!
Bazooka. TNT gun?
Let's just drown again. 96. The crash test dummy. Hey, this one's about you, Austin. You're a test. No one laughs at my jokes. Nayaku days blah blah blah. Cats? What are we supposed to do with cats? Kitty cats! I love kitty cats!
Kaizel is the best unit in the game. No diff.
Well, I have dyslexia, so I can't read those kind of complicated words. Kill us! Okay. Ready for spawn villagers? Now they're angry! They're not even attacking us! A Minecraft expert. Oh, for goodness, what?
They're talking about me!
No, that's me. I'm not entirely sure what we're supposed to do here.
Mainly talking about me.
I know everyone's fun if we kill ourselves, but we just don't have time to figure it out. Oh, Kazuma's girl. A button, a key, okay. Place key here. Ah! Now what? Huh? Welcome to Obiviville. You must first find the button to activate the doomsday weapon you see. Okay, so we're doing find the button. Find the button map. We need to find a button. Oh, diamonds! But I don't need that. I've never really played a find the button map, but so, yeah. Oh, that was easy. Find the button, my butt! So, I'm guessing something's meant to happen. What? I knew that was coming yet. It's the idiot farmer. I knew it was coming yet. It scared me. Alright, let's just drown again. Okay. The Nightmare Before Christmas. Place key here. Zombie and key. Okay, so. Ah! What the? Huh. Ah! Oh, what the? They're shooting fireballs at me! Where did fireballs come from? Sweet dreams are made of me. How am I to disagree? What am I doing? I got wool. Do we need to try to... Oh, I think we need to try to glitch out. Ah, but I messed up putting the bed here. The impossible death message. Ah! That was easy. The dead marshals. Dirt, water, and husk? I don't know what that's for.
Which one are you at? I'm far ahead.
106, the ghost of winter. Okay.
I think it's supposed to be strays.
Okay, good. Now, killing me. Kill me. Kill me. Hey, kill me.
Kill me!
Kill me. I want to die.
It won't stop putting us in adventure mode.
Okay, I'm dead. 107, the shelled feature. Okay, that one's easy. Should be easy. Ah! Why are you putting me on fire? Ah! Whoa, 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 whoa! Ah! What the? What? Whoa, 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 whoa! Austin TB to me? You have to see this one.
What?
The bedrock prison. Great. Oh no, are we gonna have to try to okay. What? Oh, crap. Gonna have to try to glitch out. Ah! What? Okay, use the boat to try to glitch out of the blocks.
Well, how do I do that?
Get in the boat and try to get out by glitching through the bedrock. Minecraft 101, my noob.
I'm in the boat, but I can't glitch through the bedrock.
You are such a noob.
How did you do it so easily?
I am a pro. Hey, yeah, kill me. Kill me.
Floating chicken.
Okay, so that's what they meant by exploding chickens. 112. Cow Manager 5000. Key, a pickaxe. Place key here. Okay.
Think creative new for this design. Yes, I didn't build it. I was too lazy.
I'm so confused. That scared the living daylight out of me.
Oh, that's from Harry Potter. The title is from Harry Potter. Wingardium Leviosa.
Wingardium Leviosa. Okay, so I know what we need to do. So get up here and then milk bucket. Oh, what? One heart. Ah, I'd half left. The mine shaft spawner. Ah, whoa, ah. The Escapist. Sorry. Dyslexia. Such fancy words. It says the Brew Box Club. Place key here. Now what? Whoa.
Oh, it's another TNT machine thing.
Oh, let me find. Ah! Why does it scare me even though I know it's coming?
Oh, we're almost done.
Yeah.
Reach for the star.
I don't think so. Cubic corruption. Not enough space here. Whoa! My game froze. What's going on? My game froze. What's happening, Austin?
I don't know.
What? What? Okay. Does it need to be so slow spawning us? Ah! What? Whoa, look at that!
What? They're all
come back
messed
to
up. My texture pack has messed them up.
I came back because I want to get a good screen, maybe thumbnail. Ah! Oh, I think I get it. You try to use shotgun boxes to glitch out, so
Bye. Ah! Ugh.
alright, the last one. Now we have to do this one legit. Oh yes! This one's easy.
The grand finale. Ah, yes.
Okay, are you ready, Austin?
Alright guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this episode. And if you did, then please comment, like, and subscribe. And turn on notifications to never miss a video. And we'll see you guys again very soon. And always remember that Bryce is a noob.
Bye!
It's only fitting that it's in chaos and we got blown up by ink crystals.
I do see the outline of that.
Bye!